Hi guys, I was gifted this from the seller so I could show you how great it works. So this is graphene ceramic coating protectant for your car. Um, the paint on this car is very damaged, not glossy at all. The water won't run off it like it should. I'm going to go ahead and put it on this car, and I'll start with just half of it so I can show you, the difference, so you can see the difference. And so I'm going to get to it. Okay, I went ahead and cleaned off of this surface. Supposed to give it a little car wash before you put on the protectant, let it dry. So I already did that. I'm going to put some of the ceramic coating on the sponge, and we're going to go ahead and start wiping it on. This package does come with protective gloves and all the little chamois that you need, and the little sponge to apply it. I'm gonna go do this side of. I'm gonna go do this side of the top. We're buffing it just a little bit. All right, it might be kind of hard to tell the difference here because we are in the shade, but it definitely did put a nice ceramic coating on it. I'm going to go ahead and throw some water on it so you can see the difference between the treated side and the not treated side. You can see the treated side, it just rolls off really quickly, and the other side you can see it didn't roll off at all. So you can definitely see that the ceramic coating is helping the paint. So if you guys need some ceramic coating like this, I would go ahead and get it. Thanks.